Hi, I'm Miss White, and today I'm going to be going through your radicals lesson with you. So first, the most common question when learning Chinese is how on earth will I memorize thousands of characters? Well, on one hand, you will memorize many characters, but on the other hand, you will use radicals to help you distinguish the meaning of a new word. So what is a radical? Radicals are context clues within a character that hints at the meaning of the whole character. You see, Chinese is a building blocks language. If we learn the basic radicals well first, then the rest of Chinese will come to us a lot easier. This is the radical for water, and these are the characters for river and ocean. Do you see the radical for water in these characters? Great, all the characters do contain the radical for water because both a river and an ocean consist of water. So if you came across these characters but did not know what they meant, you would at least know their meaning involved water because of the radical located to the left of each character. So let's have a pop quiz based on what we just learned. Which of these characters means lake? Okay, let's go through our vocabulary list now for our radicals. We have a list of some of the most well-known radicals. Our first is pronounced shui, shui, and that means water. Then we have huo, huo, fire, kou, kou, mouth, tian, tian, field, xin, xin, heart, da, da, big, gong, gong, work, yue, yue, moon, 日, 日, sun, 马, 马, horse, 人, 人, person. So I suggest over-exaggerating your tones while studying. This will further enhance your memory of which tone is assigned to each word. As shown in your vocabulary list, some characters have separate radicals and others can be used as both individual characters or radicals themselves. For example, we have the character and the radical for shui, or water. So this one can stand alone, and this cannot stand alone. Now let's look at the sentences and phrases below. Can you find shui being used as a full character? Very good. So now can you find the radical for shui? Awesome. And my last question for you is, can you find the full character shui being used as a radical? Perfect job. So as you can see, this is an example of one of our vocabulary words that can be used as a radical on its own that cannot stand alone, or as a full character that can be used on its own or as a radical itself. And then last but not least, let's check out the characters for sun. 太阳. What radicals do you see? I would recommend going through your worksheets and visiting the Quizlet before taking your quiz. So now let me explain your worksheets or your packets since this is your first time attempting it. So you're going to have about 6 packets throughout this course, and this is your first. It will always start with a vocabulary page, just like this, all the words you need to know. So you have a physical printout you can have at home to go through. And then your next page is going to be practicing the pinyin and the tones. You're going to write each one of these pinyins for all of your words 10 times across, and you have 3 options of tracing. I want you to include, of course, the opinion as well as the tone. And the next page is where you get your first opportunity to write your characters, and I think this is a really exciting time, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So on these pages, it's going to give you the opinion and the tone, as well as the full character and step-by-step instructions on how to write that character. And of course, the definition right underneath. And this particular worksheets we're using are going to give you every possible definition, or quite a few definition possibilities, but from your vocabulary you will know which one we're focusing on at the time. So you'll write each character 10 times. And then after that, it's going to be called your missing strokes worksheet. So as you can see, you have all of your words for your vocabulary list, and it has a missing stroke on each word. And you've just practiced writing all of them, so I promise this will be a lot easier than it looks right now. And then right under your missing strokes, you will always be asked what the English definition is when you're given the opinion and tone. And then your last worksheet is a word search. I think these are really fun. All you have to do is look at the bottom to give you what words you're looking for, and you're gonna go through and look, and if you find it, you can highlight it or you can circle it. All right, and whenever you're done, you're going to email it to me. Okay, well, enjoy your time, and thank you so much for watching.